If you want to change icons on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we need to open settings in your phone. Next, in the settings, we need to scroll down a little bit and you should be able to find the themes option. And then once you go to themes, at the bottom, you can switch to icons. You can go through all of these different categories and examples in order to try to find the favorite icon theme that you wish to use on your phone. However, most of these, as you can see, they are not really free and they cost some money. But you can switch to top over here and we can switch from all to free in order to see just the free content for which you don't have to pay. And after that, once you find the theme that you wish to use, so let's say I'm gonna choose this theme over here. As you can see, we have custom icons. We're gonna tap on the download button and apply in order to start using this set of icons. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.